Hey everyone, most of us online surfers use Google Chrome every single day, but most of us are only using about 15% of what it can actually do. If you think Chrome is just a basic window to the internet, you are missing out on some massive productivity boosters. Today, I'm going to show you the top 10 hidden features and settings that will completely change how you browse. Let's get into it. Let's start with a classic lifesaver. We have all done it. You have a bunch of tabs open and you accidentally close the one you actually needed. Don't panic or dig through your history. Just hit Control plus Shift plus T on Windows or Command plus Shift plus T on Mac. This instantly brings back the last tab you closed. Keep pressing it to restore previous tabs. It's a simple trick that makes you feel more in control during mishaps. If your browser looks like a cluttered mess of tiny tabs, you need tab groups. Instead of drowning in tabs, right-click on any tab and select Add Tab to New Group. Name the group like Shopping or Work and give it a specific color. Dragging tabs into groups and collapsing them helps you feel organized and in control of your workspace. Have you ever found a cool article or map on the computer that you want on your phone right away? Stop emailing links to yourself. If you are signed into your Google account on both devices, right-click the URL bar or the tab itself, then select Send to your devices. Pick your phone from the list and boom, you'll get a notification instantly on your mobile to open that exact page. For the longest time, Chrome didn't have a proper dark mode, but now it does and your eyes will thank you. Go to the three-dot menu in the top right, click Settings, and go to Appearance on the left. Look for Mode and switch it from light to dark. It looks sleeker, it's modern, and it's way better for late-night browsing. We've all had that moment where a friend asks, "Hey, can I borrow your laptop to check my email?" You don't want them messing up your algorithm or seeing your history. Instead of logging out, click your profile picture in the top right and select Guest. This opens a fresh, temporary window that doesn't save cookies or history, keeping your data safe and private. Similarly, separate profiles help you manage different accounts securely, ensuring your personal and work data stay separate. Speaking of accounts, if you use your computer for both work and personal stuff, you need to use profiles. Click your profile picture and select Add. You can create a totally separate environment for work. This keeps your work bookmarks, passwords, and history completely separate from your personal Netflix and social media usage. It's like having two different computers in one. When you open Chrome, do you just see a blank Google search bar? Let's make that more useful. Go to Settings and click On Startup in the sidebar. You can choose Continue where you left off to reopen all your tabs from yesterday or open a specific page. I like setting this to open my email and calendar automatically every morning, so I'm ready to work immediately. Chrome is getting smarter about how it remembers what you did. If you go to your history via the three dots, you'll notice a feature called Grouped History. Instead of just a long list of confusing URLs organized by time, Chrome groups them by topic or search journey. So if you were researching best laptops, it bundles those sites together, making it way easier to find that one specific review you read 3 hours ago. Chrome extensions are what make Chrome the king of browsers. If you aren't using extensions, you aren't really using Chrome. Click the little puzzle piece icon and go to Manage Extensions. From here, visit the Chrome Web Store. You can get extensions to block ads, check your grammar, or find coupon codes. Just be careful not to install too many or it'll slow you down. Stick to the essentials. Finally, for the tech-savvy users, we have the secret menu called Chrome Flags. In your address bar, type Chrome/flags. This opens up Google's experimental features. A lot of this is technical stuff, but search for smooth scrolling and enable it. It makes scrolling through long web pages feel much more fluid. Just remember, these are experimental, so change them one at a time. And there you have it, 10 ways to master Google Chrome. If you learned something new today, do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button. And I want to know, is there a hidden feature I missed that you use every day? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.